How are you? So I couldn't see the mic was working then. How are you doing? Happy Sunday. I wasn't sure. I can't even see the stream on my phone. Why can't I see it? I don't want history. New channel. Oh, there we go. Oops, can you hear me? RTC, hello, welcome in. Good to see you again. I'm good, thank you. Glad it's a bit cooler. How are you? I'm doing great, thank you. Spinny!
Spinny in the house, penguin flying high. Frames are looking smooth, and now it's game time.
Although it's not game time. Yes, England! Let's go. It's a really good match. I really enjoyed it. It's much cooler though, yeah, it is. Well, it still says 28th in London though, so a little bit toasty still, but it's not 30 like it. Well, it's 32 the other day. I've got my my temperature thing is based in London, so Yuki in the house. Let's go. Right, let's turn that off now. Right, is that working? That's working. Yeah, that's all working. Finally caught your stream. Yay! 36. Oh, that's toast. That is very toasty. We're not used to it in the UK, are we, Ree? Far too toasty. Right, I can unplug my mouse now. That should be good. There we go. Should be able to put that on now. Is that working? Yay, there we go. No, definitely not. What is everybody up to on this fine Sunday evening? I don't know what I'm going to be doing yet. Probably going to be doing something like on Linux, maybe? What do you reckon? Classic WoW. Nice. Thank God for ice blocks and ice poles. We've not had many ice poles. I mean, I've bought an aircon probably 2 years ago, like a portable one. It's been an absolute godsend, but I'm not looking forward to the electricity bill. Certainly not going to be looking forward to that, that's for sure. Eating some lunch, cheese tortellini. Ooh. She looks after you, doesn't she? Or did you make that? Right, I am going to close that. I'm going to close that, and we're going to get rid of this project here because that's finished. Oh, that's what we can do. I've just finished, just released version 2 of my LGL system loadout. We could test it, couldn't we? Even though I've released it. That's not how you do it, is it? But what we'll do is we're going to test it. So just grab that, bring that down here, and then we'll just do a fresh KDE build, I think. No, we'll do a fresh. We'll do cinnamon, I think. You did this time. Okay, nice, nice. Should we do cinnamon? Have I even got cinnamon? That's the question. Fedora. Let's go for, yeah, misc. Nope. Spins. Got XFCE. Should we do XFCE? Cinnamon, mate. Which one shall we do? Which one should we do? Budgie. I haven't tried Budgie for a while. Miracle was the first window manager I tried, and I was like, nah, no thank you. No, not me. Not interested. Cinnamon. I do like cinnamon. Let's do that. Never heard of Miracle. Yeah, I actually did a video on it. It's funny you should ask me. M-I-R-A-C-L-E. One of the... Make sure you add that to your watch later list. That was 6 months ago. Boy, how things have changed. You found me 6 months too late. That's got 2,000 views. Damn, I didn't think it did that well. It's not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. I'll take it, I'll take it. Right, so we're going to get Cinnamon installed. And then we're going to test my my new app. Well, my new update to my new app. That's what we're going to do. So we do need to drop that into there. Distros, move. Nice. Okay. So we go back to here. No idea what any of that is, just happy to be here. It's taken me a year to get here and I kind of get it, ish. Although I did help somebody out this morning, I was very proud of myself. Managed to get them all fully set up on Fedora and managed to work out fstab with only looking at AI 2 times. One was because I was copying the fstab file to backup and I couldn't remember if you use CP or MV. Turns out both would work. And the second bit was I just fed the actual fstab file into AI just to make sure that I wasn't screwing it up. And it turns out I did a bloody good job. So yeah. I actually skimmed through a couple of your old vids the other day and yeah, things have really changed. You went from level 1 to 1100. Oh, I don't know about that. But I appreciate it. Fstab was the first Linuxy thing I ever did. Yeah, it's a bit tricky. So basically what fstab is, it's a little file that when you boot up, it has a look at it to go, right, which one am I going to boot from? Oh, I'm going to boot from that one. Oh, which drive shall I mount? Oh, I'll mount that one. And it's a little bit complex when you look at it. I mean, if I just open up that and do cat and then go etc fstab, it's a little bit complicated. All those words and numbers, but once you get the hang of it, it's all right. Right, I still don't know all of the extra bits, you know. Hello, Gary. Welcome on in. Good to see you. How's it going? Right, what was I doing? I was going to go to distros and then cinnamon. So I think I'll do that. I'll drop my new app. I've dropped my new app, sorry, so I'm going to test it in Fedora just to make sure that it's hunky-dory. Oh no, that's not going to work because I haven't got number lock on. I always like to restart just before the stream. That should be enough. Fedora cinnamon. what we do is... Oh, I lost my mouse for a second then. Pop you about to there. And then we can move you over to there. Just make it a little bit skinnier, like that. And we can do that. We can do that. G disc. Oh, is that gnome discs? Is that what that is? Actually, what we can do is we can just minimise that. Stick it over here. Yeah, I've not used gnome discs enough to be able to talk around it, and I never did work out auto mount in KDE. What are you up to, Gary? You got plans for this evening? Just chilling, watching a bit of LGL, doing a bit of Linux in yourself? Am I a little bit early? I think I probably am a little bit early for a Sunday, aren't I? Ugh, got to get comfortable, that's for sure. Right, so install to hard drive. So I've got this new game that I've got to play. I can't remember what it's called now. Come on, Steam, open up. Come on, Steam, you can do it. Come on. I bet it's already opened here. I know, there you go. You over there. So I've got this new game called Ore Factory Squad. So basically a factory squad ore simulator. And it's multiplayer. But I don't know how it'll work across the Atlantic, you know. But I might play that next week, and I might find a couple of unwilling volunteers to join me on it. We shall see. We shall see. Right, okay, we are going to be doing English because you know it makes sense. Wait, where do I pick my keyboard? Oh, keyboard. That's fine. English. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Die disk. Yep. No, we don't encrypt it. LGL. He's not letting me. How rude. Yep, I know it's a weak password, but you're a VM. I don't care. Let's go. So I'm not actually, I don't think I've used my app on Cinnamon before. Oh no, I did, because I've got Cinnamon on, I've got Cinnamon on my laptop, which I don't really use much anyway. Let's have a look at the desktop. Desktop looks cool today. Look at that. Hang on. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave you there. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to grab you. And we're going to take you all the way down here, like that. I'm just going to stick you there. I'm going to stick you there. I'm going to do that. We're going to pop you over the top of there. I'm just going to grab you there and just go like that. And then we'll pop you there. Pop you there. So you can see the desktop, you can see the chat, you can see my setup. Anyone who's like just chilling in the background, wondering, what's your setup? What's your setup, mate? Now you know. Now this bit's a bit annoying though. Don't think I can do much about that, to be honest. Just going to release that from hell.
Release the window from tiling hell.
There we go. People ruin everything fun. This guy is like my window manager dealer at this point. Ah, look at that. Do you want to see something really cool? People, yeah, you want to see something really cool? Watch this, right? It's going to go up to an. I'm going to find an empty screen, right? We're just going to minimize Steam. We'll get you out of the way. Oh no, actually, I want Steam back. Come back. No, go away. No, go away. We're going to open a browser. We're going to open up Kwrite. We're going to open up terminal. We're going to lock terminal. We're going to open up. We're going to drag you over there. Oh no, I want you to go. No, I want you to. No. Wait. Nah. Yeah, you can go there. And then we're going to open up a dolphin. And we need dolphin over there. Put Google up the top. Let's do a fast fetch there. No, do a fast fetch there. Oh, we can't see the fast fetch. Just do that. Pop you up there. Pop you down there. Pop you there. Oh no, get rid of you. Go away. No, go away. Oh no, come back. Oh, go away. Come back. Go away. Come back. Go away. Yeah. It's right, innit? Does the job. It does the job. Sometimes I think you and Don should have a PC specs in the video description. Huh. That's not a bad shout. That's not a bad shout at all. I think I went cross-eyed for a minute. I do like the fact that it is like a fidget spinner for me. So if I put them back into Windows Hell like that, and if I just open up another one, that is just, this is a fidget. This is my fidget spinner. Actually, we're going to close that one. We're going to open up a new one. Probably there. Like so. Probably there, just like that. Probably over the top, like that. You know, got to get it just right. Just right. We'll grab you. Like that. Yeah. We'll be back over there. We're good to go. It's quiet tonight. You can tell it's quiet. Oh no, I was going to say, we can tell it's quiet because we haven't even gone over a page yet, but we have. Don't forget to hit that like button. You'll like this, Ree. You'll like this. And then we've got this one.
ぜひご相談ください。コード以外も隠し登録をお願いします。どなたでも大歓迎です。
And then we got one more to play, which is that one. You like this one?
A different road, a different pitch. 100 followers, I'm live on Twitch. Linux gaming, the highs and lows. What's behind the screen?
Reno's.
Nobody knows.
Yeah, there we go. Right, let's so yes. Where am I? It's here. There we go. People ruin everything fun. You have come a long way. Thanks, dude. Appreciate ya. Hassan, how you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Wow. It's good. I've never really played it well, but it's quite a good game though, from what I hear. Considering how old it is, isn't it? Yeah, if I can get to 100 followers on Twitch, I'll be back. Oh, I didn't put the... I always do that, don't I? I always forget. Or I always don't do that. I always forget. Just in case, you know. Only follow if you're going to watch, though. Right, okay, we're good. We're good. We're done. So what we can do here is we can reboot. Switching it up like the yeah, that. It might be a little bit different though. Well, it's going to be very different to before, but it's it might be a replica of what I'm doing on YouTube. So it might be gaming on Saturday and then Linuxing on the Sunday. But it depends how well the Linuxing lands on Twitch. So it might just end up being, I might dual stream with the Black Dawn on a Friday, just on Twitch, and then maybe dual stream on Twitch and YouTube on Saturday, and then just stream on YouTube on Sunday. I don't know yet. It depends how well the Twitching goes on. Sorry, the Linuxing goes on Twitch. Right, okay, we have made it in to Cinnamon. Change the res a bit. There we go. Do that. Apply. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so let's see if my app works on Cinnamon. Oh my god, I'm so used to like not having that bar at the top to move things around. Linux churches on Sundays, only on YouTube. How can I make... See, look, the problem is you've got to go all the way down to here, to this little corner, just to do that. I'm doing control and plus. Let's do an equals. Control and plus. Alright, that's not working. You zoom in. You zoom in. And then just go like that. I suppose what I could have done is that. So we go sudo DNF COPR enable Linux gamer life /LGL -system load out. Boom. Yes, please. Sudo DNF install LGL system load out. Boom. Okay, no one saw that. No one saw that. It's not like it's massive on your screen or anything, is it? Sud. Maybe I need to add loads of aliases for the text lexia I've got. I'm text lexic. Let's establish that with Don earlier. Megapixels engaged. So it should be version 2. Should be version 2. Let's go. 2.02. Nice, nice. Yes. That's all what. Actually, this will work quite well. Why is it bringing all that stuff in, actually? It must have been updates for something else. Right, so we just go zoom, 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 zoom. And then we'll go into here, and my app should be in here now. We just type LGL in here. It's even got the right icon. Let's go, let's go. Oh, that's looking pretty. It matches the theme, you see. So we're going to do an update. Lots to update, lots to update. How's the audio balance? How are we looking? Is it? It seems like the music's a little bit quiet, but oh no, that's fine. Oh no, wait, that's me. Yeah, music's right, isn't it? Got a good balance, I think. Where is everyone tonight? Do I need to put out an APB or something? Sounds good here. Nice, nice. Got some likes coming in. That's good to know. Good to know. Drawfill, hello. I'm noticing that the Steam controller on your desktop, did you find a way to give it permanent permission to use keyboard and mouse? I'm running into that problem myself lately. It's not something that I've messed around with, but I know the Black Don has. I'm pretty sure it just works on Kwin, but I'm not sure. Stick around, hopefully Black Don will be around later and he might be able to help you out with that one. Hiding. Well, I can see you. Somebody says, so I got to install my i3 12100 and do a BIOS update before I can use my i9 13900K. Boo! I don't like extra steps. Yeah, stick around, dude. I mean, how would I know if it's working or not? Do I just turn it on and then just move the controller? I don't know how it would work. Hang on, I'm in a... Oh, it's working there. It's not moving the mouse. Is that what you mean? Yes, it's not moving the mouse. So yeah, wait for Don. Don will be able to help you with that. It gives you a permission prompt before you can do anything. What? Anything at all on the system? Oh, that's weird. What are you running, dude? What's your setup? Hey Zero Linux, good to see you, dude.
Warning, Zero has entered chat. He's probably testing something and he's breaking it at that.
That's just reminded me. So we got we go to Vecteezy. Go to videos. Viking ship. Because that what was that noise? That does sound quite Viking-y, doesn't it? Where's all my if I do that, it takes me straight there, look. It thinks I'm on Cashy using the KDE environment. Not sure. What font am I using? It's a nerd font. Might be Roboto nerd font. Let me have a look. Hang on. Please hold. We are currently using Roboto Mono nerd font. But welcome in, Marwan. How you doing? Good to see you. Not gonna lie, I love your tile manager. It looks smooth. Yeah, get yourself over onto Fedora and get yourself Kinetic WE. You won't regret it. On Cache, it will ask me if I want to allow it to use the Steam controller to control stuff. I told it yes, and to remember my choice. Have not been prompted since. So that is probably going to be in here. Maybe? No, I don't know. I don't know where it would save that. Hey Tux YouTube, how you doing, dude? Welcome on in. It's always font awesome or nerd fonts, 100%. You know it makes sense. Ree says, I'm going to go lurk in the shadows, grab some dinner. Catch you in a bit. Thank you very much, Ree. You can have some free fireworks. Yeah, that is weird. It's not going to be in flat seal or anything like that, is it? No. Yeah, thanks, Smitty. That would be great. Yeah, not quite sure what's going on with that. Hayden, hello. Welcome on in. Good to see you again, buddy. How is it going? So this is the one that didn't work. I had to fix. Do you want to update? So this is new for my app. Do you want to update Flatpaks? Yes. Put your password in. Oh, it says a new kernel was installed. Okay, we need to reboot. Yes, reboot. Huh. Alright, okay. I know what I've got to do because I'm testing that. That's troubleshooting for you. The bug doesn't happen when you want it to. I know, right? I know. Very nice desktop. I'm boring as a Sway window manager user now. Dude, you use what works for you, you know? Go to settings and click on controllers. Game controller. This system may automatically go to sleep or lock screen. Oh. 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 Yeah, it's not working for me though. Yeah, that didn't work. I think Don had to do something. At the moment, you have to add it to the script, Marwan. I don't think the auto starts working yet. Where's Don when we need him? I remember hearing him saying something in the Discord about having to add it to the actual start script. No, it's not moving my mouse, Smitty. It is a known issue. Yeah, Marwan, it is a known issue and it is on Don's radar to fix. Things work when you don't need them to, and vice versa. Things don't work when you do need them to. Yeah, this bit here, look, I'll zoom into it up there, look, just there. You see it? Mine was unchecked as well, but it's still not letting me do it for some reason. No worries, Drawfield. Just make sure you hang around, yeah? Keep that number up for me and smash that like button. Not for me, smash it for Smitty, you know? I didn't do anything. Just Marwan, just confirm that you got that, dude. Just want to make sure that you heard me. Yep, okay, cool. Right, in that case, we're going to go back to here. Right, oh, reboot. Okay, if I click yes. Okay. So I now need to get rid of you, and then we're going to go to GitHub. And by the way, thanks for the kinetic video. Oh, no worries, dude. Thank you for watching it. Dex Tex Mex in the house. Hello. How you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. I had your song in my mind, but then I remember it's the wrong stream. Right, system loadout. Right, we did fix some issues, but we have introduced a new one. So the new issue is reboot on a reboot after update doesn't work. So we'll assign that to myself, and we're going to label it as a bug, and then we're going to go and look at the other issue. Now the other issues I think I'm pretty much sorted out. So bogus game launcher. So if we manually reboot, because we should do that anyway. Yeah, there you go. Smitty singing it for you. How was I not subscribed already? I've been around this channel since like October, I think. I know, right? Dude, what are you doing? Yeah, that is actually what they do now. Sub is great because it makes number go up, and then it makes sponsor happy. But it's actually watching the videos that really does help with the algorithm. So yeah. Hey, cross-eyed Cobra, welcome back on, dude. On, in, on, up, down, left, right, shake it all about. What are we doing? So I updated my system loadout app to version 2 today. So we're testing it. I should do the testing before I release it, really, but I'm testing it on a cinnamon build right now. So I do need to set it up, but I don't know how to do it just yet, where I can just move this at a touch of a button. That's a bit better. F it, we ball. I've got top chat again. What the hell? Live chat. There we go. Perfect, perfect. Right, let's get logged in here. Yes, across the yard. I did try to get kinetic RPM to build, but it failed. And because I can't really test it, there's no way for me to really try and fix it. So I had to delete it. Look at that icon. Look at that icon. I mean, it's the same as that one there, look. Where is it? Where is it? There, look. Look at that. LGL system loadout. Let's go. I meaning to fix that for ages. Right. Okay. Next. Update. Just to make sure. Password. That's working. Nice. Update flat packs, please. Yes. That's working. Right, next. RPM Fusion. Absolutely. Next. Strawberry Kitten. Hello, welcome on in. Good to see you. Have some fireworks. Guys, I am new to Linux. How do I install CC Cleaner? Basically, what you do is you go into the registry and find HKey sesh. Right, we're just going to install all of it. We want to go all. Give it all to me. So there's not a lot changed there, except I've added TLDR here. Because that's more of a CLI tool, right? That's fine. So I've broken it into CLI and GUI. So that's good. Now we've got dev tools here now. So we've got Python, we've got pipex, we've got Zeds, or it says if you don't want to do the flat pack, then copy this and run it and do that. So we're going to do that and we're going to do that. Next. We're going to select all of those. There's been no changes there. We're going to select all of those. I don't think I'm going to have enough room. We're going to do that and we're going to do that. Nice, nice. So there's fungus or falgus. Going to do all of those. Going to go next. We're going to do all of those next. We're going to go all of those next, and we're going to go. Oh, where did that? Hang on, let me go back. So I've moved Chromium to the top now. That's my my new browser. So that's what that goes up the top, and then I'm just going to install all of the other ones. I've added LibreOffice Calc and LibreOffice Writer because they're the ones that I use. So it's my loadout. You can cry if you want to. Cache OS kernel, we can do that. And this is the new one. Just look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Got all my tools now. And then we got Kinetic. Let's go. I'm going to go next. Tuck YouTube. Chromium for the win. Yeah, I've been anti-Chromium for a long time. Well, anti-Chrome, Google Chrome, for a very long time. I finally moved away from Firefox to Zen. And it was alright. It was good. And it had a good run. We got on okay. There's just a few little arguments here and there. And decided to get rid of it. Then I did a poll. And Helium came out on top. So I tried Helium. Immediately deleted it because it has a built-in ad blocker. And I don't want it to be built in because I've got one that I've been using for 10 years. I don't want to change it. And yes, I know you can just disable it, but then that's bloat. I don't need that. So we did that. And then I looked at a few others and I've ended up on Chromium. And it's just working. So yeah, I had to make a few changes with it. One of them, when you open up a page where you can log in with Google, it just presents you with all of your logins for Google. I had to disable that, especially as a streamer. Well, this seems to be working all right. Oh, flat seal. Damn it. What's it saying with flat seal? Right, let's go back here. Read the memory file. You love what, sorry? Show. Oops. Oh shit, his helper got the quee. Yep. I liked LibreWolf too, but settled with Chromium for now. I love that you got emojis ready on your iPad. Wait, what? I don't have emojis there, no. Camille! Hello, welcome on in. Good to see you again, dude. Check in git ignore. Check in git ignore. No, my emojis are there, look, on the right hand screen. No, I want you to read the memory file and get up to speed with the project. Camille says, doing all right. Spent the whole day trying to find out why hardware acceleration wasn't working on all Chromium browsers. What's going on? Why is it gone all weird? Oh, wait, what? Oh, it's lost all of my freaking memory. I told it to make a memory file. It just put memory and get ignore. Okay. Okay, so and then check project files and status. Ended up giving up and went back to Firefox. Why? Wait, what? All roads lead to Firefox. No, they don't. All roads leads to Fedora. And then subsequently all roads lead to Kinetic WE. So, you know. No, I don't see any issues. What? What was the problem? What problem was it causing, Camille? I've not been having any problems. Okay. I list issues here. Take no action. Video decoding what though? What are you decoding? Are you saying videos don't work? Right, okay, so first one. Two. A reboot doesn't work on update screen. When prompted to reboot after new kernel detected. Are you going to add add Falcon D to the tool too? No. I only add what I use, and I don't use Falcon D. No, they do, but the iGPU was having a hard time and making the system kind of like, oh, okay. No discrete GPU on my machine. Oh, gotcha. See, I don't get these things from a laptop perspective, because I don't really mess around on laptops. If I pop that about there, we should be good over here, right? Strawberry Kitten says Firefox-based browser are the only browsers on Linux that support GPU-accelerated video decoding out of the box. Okay, I'm glad I don't need it then, because I'm not on Firefox anymore. Right, okay, so we need to go back to the VM, which is here. So everything else installed. Oh no, it's doing the cashier. Right, okay, so we're doing that one now, are we? Are we done? Still going? Still going? Oh, hang on. Flat seal. Z didn't work. Okay, that's not ideal. Three. Oh, it needs to, I think it's because there's no flat hub installed. And then we've got wait, what? Pretty sure it's a flat hub issue. Four. The wait for Ladybird browser continues. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. Okay, I think we're good then. I think we're good. Let's just move that over there. Oh no, it's going. It's doing it. It's doing it. It's doing it. Let's go. Let's go. It's getting to my ones. Oh no, it's doing mine. It's doing them. It's doing them. Definite one in the house. Hello. You can have a little bit of that. I haven't made you a track yet, Defiant. How's it going anyway? How's the Fedora install going? Please tell me it's still working. 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 Please, 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 please tell me it's still working. Please, 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 please. It's going great. Yes. Let's go. I've re-engineered the system loadout as well today. I've got a couple of bugs on it though. Nice, nice. Next, so we're going to copy the failed steps clipboard, which we've already got those. Don't celebrate yet. Rebuilt the. Well, I didn't rebuild. I did a major overhaul on the LGL system loadout tool. And we're testing it now, and I found a couple of bugs, so that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be fixing those. Yeah, okay, so is not triggering the reboot either. Okay, that's fine. And then 5. Reboot at end of install is not triggering. Poll kit is activated. Oh no, poll kit wasn't activated, was it? Not even get poll kit, are we? Yeah, poll kit's not activating at all, is it? Okay. Poll kit is not activating. I'm about to try your setting on Rivals to see what I get. Now, were you playing Rivals from your NTFS drive? Or nah? Oh, okay. For a moment now, I thought that might have been the issue. Okay, plan to fix. Was on the NVMe. Oh, that's interesting then. Let's go to here. We're going to grab you. I'm going to bring you. Where are we going? Where are we going? I'm lost. There we go. Stick you in there. Steve Dick's in the house. Hello, welcome on in. Chill Sunday indoors. Upper 80s outside though. Nice. What's that in real money? Strawberry Kitten, I don't have that. You think I should get it? What's that? What have you got? What have you not got? Vappy. Oh, okay. What distro are you running, Camille? Oh, you're on Fedora, aren't you? Oh yeah, don't forget to like. A little bit behind on the stream. I just watched the OBS window go backwards and forwards. That was quite funny. Don't forget to hydrate. Should we see if we got any comments?
In the comments section with LGL.
I can't believe this!
Somebody just did something. What did you do? What did you do? 5 months? Will I hear it though? Celebrating 5 months, tall, growing to be a teen, eh? Well done, Grandad. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the 5 months. Appreciate you, dude. What comment have we got? Gore-Tex replied, Linux Gamer did not work with non-Steam games. Still have to specify Proton compatibility you want to use. For non-Steam games, hang on, so... did not work with non-Steam games, still have to specify Proton compatibility. Okay. So not too much hassle then. Nice. That was another
in the comments section with LGL.
Beep. Mystic, hello, welcome on in. Good to see you. How's it going? What are you up to? Steve, what are you up to? Chilling? You on your pewter? Right, okay, so we need to go back to here. If I squeeze you into that top corner, that might look cool. Like that, you know? Right, bug A, Flatpak installs fail for flat seal Z issue ones because main wizard build step builds an ordered queue of install steps. The ensure Flatpak is installed and add Flatpak remote block currently at main wizard there runs after the Oh, okay. Fix, move that infrastructure block. The need Flatpak check and Flatpak remote steps to run near the top of the steps. Okay, bug B, reboot doesn't trigger Polkit not activating issues 2 and 5 because both update page CPP 145 and post kernel update prompt and done page CPP line 107 end of install prompt reboot via a raw unmanaged call. This bypasses the app's own privileged helper mechanism used for every other privileged action and instead relies on PK exec's generic exec authorization path, which needs to run a graphical Polkit agent. If that agent isn't available or responding, PK exec fails silently, and since start detached never checks the exit code, the button just does nothing with no error shown. That matches Polkit is not activating exactly. Notably, main wizard run helper command main wizard H in line 53 and main wizard CPP in line 524 already exist for exactly this. It drives a command through the same PK exec launched helper as every install step, and the helper's allow list already has user bin system control reboot help server CPP ready to go, but run helper command is currently dead code, never called anywhere. Fix, in both reboot handlers replace the raw PK exec call with mwizard launch helper. Safe to call again after the prior helper session shut down. It only skips relaunch if the process is still running, followed by mwiz run helper command user bin system control reboot and show queue message warning if the fails. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, do it, yeah, do it. Dit. For God's sake. Strawberry kitten, yeah, that's it. Okay, you guys, but nowadays stuff supports the APIs. Okay, cool. What are you up to today, Zero Linux? Anything? So what I do need to bring up is another one of those. What we do need to do is log in to Fedev. And then we're going to clear that. And then we're going to go CD development run host development LGL projects LGL system loader, boom, and then we're going to go git status. Both fixes are implemented. I haven't built it yet. Let me know if you want me to run CMake build. No, I don't want you to do that. I want to do that myself. Works on my machine. Yes, planning a visa run. Oh, of course, yeah. Juggling 3 job opportunities I got recently. Got to make a smart decision. Nice. Good job, dude. Visa run. Is that like days to do that? A day? Because you have to go to a different country or something, or do you have to go to the embassy or something. I don't know what does that mean. Oh, actually no. No, we're going to go exit. Exit. Going to move that over here. We're going to open up Dolphin. Close Dolphin. Go back to here. Open up Dolphin. And then we're going to go to development, projects, LGL system loadout. I'm just going to bring this up here. Then we're going to go Fedev. Clear. CD. Run. Host. Development. Projects. GL system loadout. And then we should go into build. On that. Launch. Oh, the problem is I can't test it, can I? Because I can't reboot. Oh no, it should do the poll kit. As long as it triggers the poll kit, we'll be fine. Croatia for 1 day, come back to Serbia, renew for a month or 2. Right, so that's all done. Just going to click through, click through, click through. Well, I won't know if the first one's done or not. Oh, hang on. It shouldn't just reboot. If it reboots, I'll be right back. Ah, there we go. Good. So that's fixed now. Excellent. Excellent. That's a bit of a long delay for that, isn't it? Say something in chat. I will run the compiles. Chilling by running Hell Tides and side quests in Diablo 4. And something in chat. Thank you very much. Pedro, hello, welcome on in. Hi LGL, hope you're doing fine. I just finished your Kinetic WE from your system loadout app on Fedora KDE. No problems, it was smooth. Really? Really? Excellent, excellent. I haven't even tested that myself yet. Well done. I'm still stuck at the this bit doesn't work. Look, I'm just fixing that at the moment. But if I go like that and then go like that and then go reboot, that's good to know though, Pedro. I've tested on a VM. Nice, that's what we're doing right now. I know normally most like smart people who do developing stuff. Here we go, Kinetic. Let's go, let's go. Did it launch Noctalia the first time, or did you have to restart it? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, thanks, Defiant. Dude. Appreciate you, man. Steve Dix, you got yourself a membership. Let's go. That was good. Normally it just hits some random thing. It launched just like yours. Wait, what? Dude, thank you very much.
I can't believe this.
Paul Walker, you just got yourself a gifted membership. Make sure you thank Defiant. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. I need to go to the other screen. It doesn't tell me in there who you've sent them to. It just says that you've sent one. But thank you, man. Appreciate that. Go to live chat. Right, let me just try something. I'm going to release you from what time and how.
Release the window from tiling hell.
What can you see? You can't see that, can you? Okay, cool. So we're going to go Streamlabs. Am I logged in? Why are you not letting me log in? Later. I just want to log in. Dashboard. Alert box. So can somebody... Oh, here we go. Here we go. It made a noise. What did it do? What happened? Well, I think I might have fixed it now. What I need is, if there's anybody in amongst all 28 of you who has not yet subscribed, could you just do it now? I mean, you can unsubscribe afterwards if you want to, if you really want to. I mean, but why would you unsubscribe, you know? But if you haven't subscribed, and that new person who's just come in, just hit that subscribe button and you'll be helping me out, because I'll be able to see if the alerts do the alerty thing. I kind of need to know that, you know. It's quite important that the alerty do the alerty things, because we've got alerts enabled here, look, but I just don't know if they work or not. So I need your help, please. 29 of you here, look. Come on, one of you must be not a subscriber. Hit the subscribe button and then just unhit it if you really need to, you know, please. So yeah, that's worked. That's nice. That's very nice. Let's go. I could now spend the next 20 minutes of the stream ricing this, but I got things to fix. So we need to fix we got to check the flat pack stuff, haven't we? You received the alerts. Oh, perfect. You heard them as well. Had to portal to town to say thanks. Pedro says, I just had to change the session to Kinetic WE like you did during installing. Didn't present no errors. Excellent. Excellent. The issue I'm having at the moment now then is just with the flat pack. So let's go and fix that. Right, so it says here. Sounds good. I'll leave the build to you. Let me know if the compile turns up anything. Right, so I need to test. The flat hub. The only way I can do that though. I know what to do. Right, okay. We're on a mission now. So we're gonna not do that. We're not gonna do that. Right, I'm gonna put a freaking wallpaper on here. That's the least I can do, right? So we need to go to bar, scroll to the bottom, plugins. Nope, we need to go to plugins first. Duh, plugins. We need to browse plugins. We need to add Wallhaven, add to Noctalia. There we go. Nice, nice. We didn't need to go to security. We need to enable Polecat. Nice, nice. And then we need to go back down to bar. We need to go to the top. No, we don't. We just need to scroll to the bottom, don't we? And then on here, we need to add widget, and then we'll go Wallhaven, and then we can close that, and we can go up here, Wallhaven, and then we're going to go, don't want people, and we're just going to pick something like that one. Bit of cyberpunk, can't beat a bit of cyberpunk, huh? And then we're going to go to KDE, system settings. Well, that's changed. And then we're going to go to dark thing, right? Then we are going to go to display and monitor, and then we're going to change that one to that one. Click apply, click keep, click close, and we have our doc's missing, but we don't need the dock right now, do we? So that's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Let me catch up with chat. Just had to change this. Can't remember if I'd heard was in a tense part of the game. Can't remember if I'd heard that more intense wave of demons and cultists. Oh, I see. Right. Oh, I see. I'm thinking what? When you said I had to portal to town to say thanks, I'm thinking, okay, all right. Is that some kind of cryptic thing that you're talking about there? You mean in Diablo 4? That's hilarious. Right. Okay, so we've got a little bit of a rice there. Oh no, one more thing. Just one more thing. We're going to go to here, click on wallpaper. There we go. That's better. That's looking more like it. Excellent. But what we are going to do is we're going to shut down this build, like so. And then we're going to go and... no, wait, what? We use that. Shut down. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go into info, and we're going to add hardware, and we're going to add the file system, and we're going to call the file system to development, projects, system loadout, build, open. Okay, and then we're going to call that /LGL-temp. Okay, it's going to nag at us because we need to do the memory, so we're going to go to where is it? Where's memory? Oh, hang on. It won't let me do it until I've added the memory. God damn it. Enable shared memory. There we go. Then we go back to add hardware, file system, source path. Would be nice if it took me to the same place. No, it doesn't, does it? Okay, browse local, development, projects, LGL system layout, build, open, target, LGL-temp, finish, and then we're going to go back to here. We're going to press play. Hey Lexi Marie, how you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. RAM as a feature. I know, right? So we're going to go put our stupidly stupid password in. Let's go, let's go. So then we're going to go and do console. Oh, we haven't got console because we're not on KDE. Damn it, what's it called? What's the terminal called? Terminal. Pin to dock. We're just gonna make the dock visible. Dock. Enabled. There we go. Dave Plummer will sell you a downloadable RAM subscription. That's cool. Oh wow, look what's going on with that. Okay. Well, that's interesting. Should we go for a slightly darker go for a slightly darker wallpaper then, shall we? If we do space, that should work, won't it? Space. See that one. And it's DDR6. Defined. Heaps better LGL. Rivals running a constant 125 FPS on high settings. Let's go. Let's go. Lexi says, I got the Kinetic WE installed on a virtual machine. Not loving Noctalia 5, but might need to play more yet. Yes, you will need to play a lot to get it to the point where you like it. But it is worth it. It totally is worth it. It gives you the opportunity to learn everything about it as well, which is really cool. Right. So we need to go sudo make directory -p, and we're going to make it in mount, and we're going to call it LGL temp. Okay, so that's done. I can't remember. I can never remember this bit. I'm gonna have to giggle it. Giggle. Can you help me out? How to mount Vertio FS mount in Fedora. Oh, that's it. -T. I can never remember the actual. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? We're going here. We're going here. There we go. We'll go there. So it's sudo mount -t virtuos, and then it's LGL temp. Do I have to do that / first? I can't remember. Maybe / LGL temp, and then it's MNT LGL temp, and then go CD mount and LGL temp, and then list. We should be in build. Yay! Let's go! Let's go! So we can exit that. Or what we could do is exit that, and then we can open up. Oh, do you know what? Sudo DNF install Dolphin. Dolphin console. I'll be on DDR4 until 2035 at these prices. Same here, dude. Same here. And I'm on 3200 as well. God damn it. That sounds like limited availability might be a concern with downloaded RAM. We should probably act now. Download as much RAM as you can. Quick, guys. Quick. www.downloadmyram.com. 50% off with the code LGLROCKS. Smitty's in the process of upgrading, but to the last gen of DDR4 boards, only because I already own the DDR4 RAM. You lucky bastard. Yeah, that I get that. I would like to get 5800 X3D chip, but that's it. I'm on the 5700 X3D chip, and I did think about upgrading to the 5800, but it wasn't really a big enough of a jump. So yeah. Strawberry Kitten says, shut up, Strawberry Kitten. KDE, it's nothing to do with KDE, right? Nothing to do with KDE. Okay? Their apps are separate. I just like them. I just like them. I just like the apps. I just love the apps. They're the bestest of apps. I think I'm going to build another DDR5 machine and just not use it for now. That way when the PC starts to crap out, I have something. Might not be possible before too long. Yeah, well, good luck with that. Pedro, I have to say, Algie, you and Don have a nice project on Kinetic WE. I had fun on the VM, and if I'll move back to Fedora again, I'll definitely install it. Congrats. Thanks, dude. Appreciate the feedback. Shame Don's not here to hear it, you know? Don. I went 3900 KF, no idea what that is, but well done. Well done, Smitty. Well done. Good for you. Also going to get some older hardware for non-high-end needs. Just stock up in case consumer ends completely. Hope not. That's a good chip. Golfin is Go GUI based file manager. Yeah, I like it because the integration with console. I did try on stream to get Kitty to integrate with Dolphin, but you can't. So those two things. Oh wow. Okay. Nice. Nice. I've never gone Intel before. Well, not since a 386 maybe. Is that Intel? 32 core. Oh, that's nice. That will do all of the processing for you, won't it? Is it any good for gaming though? Has it got cache? The 3D cache. Eortiz, hello, welcome on in. Good to see you. Thanks for coming back. What's wrong with you? No, I appreciate it, dude. Corin, hello. Buzz about KDE or SteamOS? I'm sure there's a question in there somewhere. Not a fan of KDE, massive fan of SteamOS. Oh, hang on, no, that's been translated. Wait, Bazite KDE or SteamOS? Fedora. Sorry. Look, if I show you what I see, you ready? I'll show you what I see. Right. Watch. Ready? See that there? Buzz about KDE or SteamOS? I was thinking, dude, what? What are you saying, man? If I hover over it, Bazite KDE or SteamOS? Google Translate got that one very weird. So this is Fedora. I need the chat to go up to there. There we go. Yeah, so this is Fedora with Kinetic WE. Lex Marie says, I got the Intel machine on this machine because last AMD and I hadn't followed updates for a decade. Graduated high school and the only time I used the PC was for the digital audio workstation for that 10 years. Wow. Holy shit, dude. So all I would need to do is get a new board and chip and everything else would just transfer across, wouldn't it? Lexi Marie says, then that old PC died, but built this instead, Windows 11, and said, nope, time for Linux. Nice. Yeah, that was a bit weird, jank, wasn't it? Craig, don't you come in here and getting our hopes up, dude. Don't you dare come in here getting our hopes up. Come on, man. Seriously? Hey, Crossy-eyed, how you doing? Welcome morning, good to see you. Best move ever, reigniting my love for nerding. Same here, Lexi Marie. I hardly touched my PC before, apart from just gaming. I'm building apps and all sorts now. Right, speaking of which, exit that. We can unpin that now. And then we can go dolphin. Press F3. Nope, F4. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking on gas. We can minimise you for the minute. Okay, so we're going to... where are we going? We are going to / mount LGL temp. Okay, that's working. Yikes! I'm on a Windows PC. I just bequeathed. Slowly, going to slowly back out. Yes, I want to update the flat packs. Thank you very much. Ortiz, imagine if that's Homer Simpson thing where he's backing into the hedge, you know? Imagine that in your face right now. Right, next. Okay, that's installed. Good to know. Good to know. All of those are good. Wait, so this one didn't install. Okay. That one didn't install. That one didn't install. Everything else? Oh, no, that one didn't install. Those all installed. Good. Oh, all those. Look, all that green is so nice to see. So nice to see. Oh. Oh. Wait, hang on. How did it install that one? Oh, okay. So the ones that are from Fedora it actually installed. It's the ones from Flat Hub that it couldn't. That makes sense. That makes perfect sense. Oh, come on, game. Seriously? I mean, that's nice though. That's nice, isn't it? It's nice that it's warning me. We're 505 megabytes short. Anyone got any megabytes with them? Could you just like put in chat, send LGL, make it 1000 megabytes, please. If you could just send that over, that would be great. It would be greatly received. We do it in the form of super chats. I'm sure it'll get to me quicker. Just kidding. You know what that means though, don't you? Dave Plummer will sell you 1000 megabytes downloadable storage subscription. Excellent, excellent. Thank you very much. Thanks, Robbie Kitten. Appreciate you. Thank you very much, Smitty. Thank you very much. Appreciate all the bits and the bytes and the gigabits and the 1.21 gigawatts. But you know what that means, don't you? It's time for a rebuild. I knew it. 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 Dagnam it. Felt weird typing DNF. Did it feel dirty? dirty. Very dirty. What, VM? So we need to find the cinnamon. There we go. Delete. Bye-bye, cinnamon. It's been a pleasure. Should we do something different then? Let's do something different. Because we kind of know it works, right? Oh, I didn't want to do that. We want to go Fedora. Get ready in chat. I'm going to need a vote. Fedora spins. What spin shall we spin? One with the most... I quite like Dave Plummer, actually. I just don't trust... Oh my god, that's so weird. I'm just kidding. Okay, cool. So XFCE, Mate Compiz, I3, Alex QT, NXDE. We're not doing SAS. Sway, Budgie. I'm doing Budgie. Sorry, I'm doing Budgie. I made the decision. You're too slow. Far too slow. Come on, chat. Pay attention. Because he's a historical software scammer. No, he's not. Where are you getting that from? Don't believe everything you read on the internet. Sway would have got your vote. That's what you're using now, isn't it? Yeah, Budgie's quite nice. SOAS is a arty farty one, if I recall. Yeah, so it's like a discover, reflect, share, learn. I could never get it to work in a VM, that was all. Sugar on a Stick is a Fedora-based operating system featuring an award-winning Sugar learning platform and designed to fit on an ordinary... Oh, that's why I can get it to install. He actually sold... Well, if people bought them, then they're freaking stupid, aren't they? Good on him. He's providing them with a service. It's like if you remove all the warning labels off of all of the cleaning fluids and stuff like that. Let nature take its course. You can't patch stupid, unfortunately. Yeah, that's why I couldn't get it to install then, I guess. That's funny. All right. Okay, we've got that now. Oh no, hang on. I need to go back into there. I need to go into there. I need to open it up. I need to get you there. I need to grab you down here like this, and then we're going to grab that budgie. Is it, what color budgie is it? Let me know in chat. We're going to drop the budgie into distros. Hopefully it doesn't hurt or fly away. Move here. Nice. Close you. Minimize you. You can come back later. Let me go new. Browse. Distros. Fedora. Okay, browse local. Distros. Budgie. Go forward. Going to give it a little bit of RAM. A few of my CPUs. Should I give my CPU a little bit more power? I would actually sub to that. Next to me was it one of those RAM compression tools? I need down. Chris McGraw, hello, welcome on in. I haven't used Fedora much. I tried a very long time ago. I quite like it. Yeah, Domino's are selling those, Lord of Gaming. It should be right. Should be good. Yeah, I'm locked in. It's 3 gigahertz again. Fortunately, I got an app for that. What should we do? Should we just do... I don't want to go too much. Should we just do balanced? Yeah, we'll do balanced, I think. then what we'll do is we're going to close that. And we're going to give ourselves 40. I don't need 40, but somebody sent 40, so I'm going to put 40 in. Oh no, hang on, that's 40 terabytes. I'm not doing that. Forward. Yep, okay. Fedora budgie. Going to customize the config before we start. Very nice. We're going to go to memory. We're going to go allocate. We're going to go add hardware. We're going to go, hang on, no, cancel. We're going to apply. Add hardware, file system. Browse. Local. Development. Projects. LGR system loadout build. Open. Target path / LGL. Test. No, test. Test. Then we're going to go to Video Virtue, 3D acceleration, display, listen to none, OpenGL, apply, begin. Catch up on chat. Let's do that now. CachyOS just works better for me. Fair enough, Chris. Fair enough. I'm not a fan of CachyOS. I'm a fan of how awesome it is. That it's getting people onto Linux, and it makes it easy to get people onto Linux. I'm just not a fan of how over-engineered it is. But no, it's great. Fedora on a stick speedruns become a thing. That's the goal. Finding the distro that works best for you. Yeah, see? And that's a really good example, actually. Smitty started on CachyOS. We kind of bullied him into Fedora. He won't admit that, but we kind of bullied him a little bit. He tried it, and then he's gone back to CachyOS. So, you know, use what works for you. Hello, Wes. How you doing? Apparently, Wes doesn't have a hat. That's a shame. What's some good Linux flavors for boomers who know the bare minimum to use a computer? That's a very good question, Wes. I would just try a bunch. Try CachyOS. Try Bazite. Try Nabara. If you want a little bit more of a bit of a challenge, try Arch. If you want to rip your hair out, and if you've got any left, or make it go grey if it's not already grey, try Gentoo. It depends on your hardware as well, dude. Nothing wrong with Pop OS. Pop OS has a place in this world, Chris. Just not in my world. I actually quite like Cosmic, not gonna lie. Steve is smitten with Cachy. Perfect. That's what happens, right? You find yourself a distro and you fall in love with it, and then you stay there. RTC's on Mint. Excellent. Mint is really helping the Linux cause right now. That's good. Chris says, yeah, I installed it on an old 2-in-1 laptop and everything just works fine. My father couldn't tell the difference with Windows. Perfect. Oh yeah, Slackware. Yeah, that's the other one, isn't it? Mint, Debian, Fedora. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend Fedora too much because there are extra steps to get things working, which might be a little bit frustrating if you don't know. You could use my app, which we're going to look at now. What I'm about to do now is the best way to install and get up and running on Fedora. Yeah, that's something I'm not going to do, Eortiz. I did Linux from scratch back in the probably late 90s, early 2000s, and then stuck with Windows ever since. So seriously, Wes, don't ignore Slackware, ignore Gentoo. Go for something a little bit more mainstream, something like CachyOS. Bazite's a really good one. The Black Don's on Bazite at the moment, and he's finding that really, really good. Despite the fact that everyone says, oh, you can't use that, it's not a proper Linux distro. It'll be perfect. And it really depends on what your hardware is as well. So let us know your hardware. Yeah, same here, Lex Marie. I got the same sentiment. It's okay, and I really wanted to love it, But yeah, delivery was missed. I prefer cinnamon. SuperBang is rocking Fedora as a VM on Proxmox with a 4080 Super, and then Windows as a VM on with an Intel B850. Nice. System 72 has dope pre-builds. I know, right? Autis once dipped their toes into Slackware. You hate Bazzite. Wow, that's quite a strong word for a distro. I mean, what did it do to you? Did it like beat you up or something? Jesus. Do you need some? Do you need a welfare check there, Lexi Marie? LFS is basically following a guidebook until you run into an issue. Yep, absolutely. Hey, you can also try. No, stop telling him to try these hard ones. I did Void Linux, got a video on that. Yeah, actually, Wes, have a look at my videos, dude. There's a series called I tried 6 Linux distros for gaming, and then there's another one where I try 7 Linux gaming distros. I beat him up. That took all his games. Brilliant. I've got to take a pee. I'll be right back. Take care of yourselves. Oh, he's back. What did I miss? What did I miss? Lexingbury was working on quick shell tests in VMs, and they put out an update by VMs. Say what? Sure, that's not a user issue. But it says cache is just the Go. Repo actually has apps in it instead of having constantly compile shit from the AUR. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the AUR. Just build stuff yourself if you really want to. If you really want it that bad. RTC says Garuda Linux seems to have gone by the by. Yeah, that one was an interesting one when I tried it. It was I'm going to say over-engineered again, but then when you get to know me, you'll understand what I mean by over-engineered. But it was quite nice. It looked pretty. I'm still emotionally damaged from 30 years of Windows. I know, right? I know. Oh, hell, I should click start, shouldn't I, really? Right, let's grab you and bring you down here, shall we? There we go. Right, let's go next. Next. Back. Yeah. Next. LGL. Oh no. Gonna sneeze. Bless me. Did I actually stop it? Yeah. Okay. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to sneeze again. Bless me. They had QEMU on the base image, then removed it in that update and said move to Flatpak. You could recover with a lot of work, but when busy, that's not just fun. Yeah, no, that's fair enough. And I think that's the thing, right? And that's the thing that we've got to be really, really careful with when it comes to telling new Linux users what distro to use, right? Because you have a responsibility for that person who's jumping onto Linux, whether they're going to stay there or not. Because if you say to a new user who's not very technical, try Arch, they're going to have a horrible time. And you know what they're going to do? They're going to blame Linux. So just be really, really careful about when you're recommending distros. Don't think about what you would use. Think about what's easy for the person who's going to be trying it to use, because you know after 6 months to a year they're going to change anyway. So give them something really, really simple to get their teeth into, you know. Right. Okay, 42 gig this time. That should be enough, right? Yeah, that's why I've built my app, you see, that I'm testing now, Lexi Marie, is to help people. And I've even got it on my so if you go to here, you can even grab it as a RPM or not. I need to fix that so you can get the RPMs. I've just not copied it over for the latest version, but we're going to fix that in a minute anyway, so don't worry. But yeah, literally one click download, double click that, it opens up my app. You can go through my app, install the code, the RPM Fusion, some tools, codecs, other tools, drivers for NVIDIA. I mean, not for NVIDIA. No, not for NVIDIA. I don't do NVIDIA. I just give you instructions. Gaming stuff, virtualization stuff, browsers, comms and productivity, CachyOS kernel if you want it, any of my tools, and Kinetic WE, which is the working environment that I'm in right now. Yeah, you can do all that. Try to make it as easy as possible. But it's the same for any other skeleton distros. Yeah, absolutely. Well, I wouldn't say that Fedora is a skeleton distro, unless you go for something like Fedora everything and then choose nothing, which is my preferred approach. If you go for a spin like KDE, something like that, the only thing you have to do is the anything where there's a licensing issue, Fedora won't fix it for you. Theming issues actually on LibreOffice. I think the paper is always white, but if I go, because I only got 2 on here. Yeah, so that's always going to be white, but everything else is themed. Also, Arch was my first distro, forced me to understand what I was installing and why. Yeah, not everyone can deal with that though, Chris. Sorry, RTC. Chris McCall says, don't get toasty a bit too though, so it needs some minimal cooling. Does get a bit, oh, I see what you mean. I can imagine, yeah. Looking good. I've been noting ideas to help with such things as well, mostly from the AV Nerd guide. Okay. Install a DAW or video software in a container, for example. I actually used to have. I used to run DaVinci Resolve in DistroBox. That worked really well. But now I run it all on my Mac, which I'm using at the screen at the moment. But yeah, I do all that in here. That's going to be loud though, so I'm not going to play that. You have to wait until Don drops it. Right, exit to live. Okay. I like Budgie. Is that remote desktop into a physical Mac? Yes, it's into a physical Mac. I wanted to love Resolve. The UX is really rough for me personally. Once you get used to it though, it's like anything, right? It takes a bit of time to get used to, but yeah. I just put a cheap heatsink from Newegg and put a $10 fan on it to blow on it, and it's fine. Nice. Yeah, as a support tech right now, it's a whole thing where loads of people have old systems that can't do Windows 11 and they cost new hardware. It's atrocious. Yep, in it just. In my honest opinion, there is only one way to run Ableton, and I'm sorry to say it, it's on a Mac. After running Ableton for 4 years on Windows and then switching to Mac, there is no way in hell I will ever go back to running Ableton on anything else other than a Mac. The end. Rez says, recommending Linux is a consideration, but there would need to be a reliable system in place. You mean hardware? That is, I try gaming on it. Okay. Oh, you use Ableton too? Didn't know. Yeah. I've not really used it much for a while, but yes, I do. It's my go-to for sure. I did try Bitwig. I started actually off on Fruity Loops back when it was still called that, back in the 90s, late 90s, early 2000s. You can't really get much more reliable than some of the Linux distributions, dude. It's only if you start messing about with them that they might bite you, especially if you don't know what you're doing. But if you're set up and all you're doing is browsing, chatting, you know, pretty damn reliable. I played with Fruity Loops in the early 2000s as well, but not any serious capacity. Then I started taking lessons from Bill Gates and got able... Oh, nice. Right, we are in Budgie desktop settings. Desktop. Okay. I forgot how this one works. I think we need to go down to here and we need to type in monitor. Or, no, display. It'll be display. There we go, displays. And then we're going to change this one to that one. Right. Okay. Didn't even ask me if I wanted to keep it or not. Well, that's interesting. I forgot all about this. System tools. Oh, it's already got Dolphin installed. Let's fucking go. Right, so sudo DNF COPR enable Linux Gamer Life / LGL dash system dash loadout. Yes. Sudo DNF. No, we don't need to do that. We don't need to do that yet. We don't need to do that. What we do need to do is go mk. Oh no, sudo mk dir dash p / mount lgl test, and then we'll go sudo mount -t virtuous. There we go. LGL temp / mount LGL temp. Oh no. And then we go cd mount LGL test. There we go. So go ch mod +x / LGL system loadout. What should we double click it now? Okay. I think it's fair. Oh, hang on, I've missed a load of stuff there. This one's fair. Max up my thing. Over that. I remember an old 33 megahertz Apple branded laptop with a horrible screen, and dang, I hated the thing. Apple II was easy to work with. I know, I'm old. Dolphin is the goat. It is. I do like it a lot. Oh, hang on. It is universally loved, and also I would imagine in some aspects it's universally hated as well. Yeah, Haruna's on Bazite as well, I think. I might want to change that because I'm currently using MPV or is it MPV, I think? I'm having some issues with that, with the tiling. I did play with Bitwig a little, but if I ever change, it will be over a long window. Yeah, I have so many devices hand-built in Ableton, including using Macs. Can drive with my eyes closed. Yeah, that's the problem, isn't it? And that is always the challenge when switching from one door to another. Is it just, everything just feels so alien. Do you know what? When I switched from Fruity Loops to Ableton, the mixer view just completely blew my mind. I could not work out how to get into like the more traditional view. I'm like, oh my god, what's going on? I found out later you just press tab to switch between the two modes, but at the time my brain was very, very hurty. Yeah, it was like that, Lexingbury. Very much so. Like a little playlist on the side. Yeah, I've been running this playlist for about 6 years now. And it doesn't get old. But it hasn't for me anyway. Yeah, I forgot. When you download a spin, you've got to do the update. I'm so used to just running a network install. I don't think there is a Linux version of Ableton, is there? But again, I wouldn't personally. Ending up with a different bunch of media players because of silly app dependencies. Yeah. So I like to be really careful about what I install. I'm not doing too bad. I had 4,000 packages before I rebuilt. And 2,500 now. I'm not going to let it go over 3,000. Oh, it's there. No Ableton version, but it's running totally fine in Wine. Yeah, I tried it in Wine. I tried it in Winboat. I could never get the window to show properly. Also, I've got Omnisphere and some other plugins that I just couldn't be asked to spend the time to try and get working. Especially when I've got... What was that? Click, click, click. There we go. Oh, okay. I've got to actually install it. Damn it. I don't like that. Left clicking on the desktop does the same as right clicking. Not a fan. Alright, so we're going to have to go sudo dnf install lgl system loadout. Still not going to work, is it? I don't think. Oh yeah, it is. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, keep doing that. Oh boy, Omnisphere, that's a wormhole on its own. I know, I loved it. It is so nice. Is Budgie Temu KDE? It's kind of like a somewhere in between LXQT and KDE. Some plugins not displayed correctly. You aren't wrong there. I use very few personally. I can use Macs to make Ableton UIs. but then might not be everyone's cup of tea. So you're running Ableton on Linux. That's really good to hear. Yes, I saw Thomas post on Twitter actually. Took him a bit, but there was a few games that he wanted to get working first, so very pleased that he's managed to do it. Just select all, 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 next. Right, see if it works this time, shall we? Ah, there we go. Install Flatpak. Add Flatpak remote. That was the problem. Yeah, Ableton Linux, a few plugins. Usually route through Macs into a handmade device, so I don't look at the native UIs. Nice. Lexi, Lexi sounds like the Linux star sorcerer. I'm jealous. I'm going to assume which. The FPS loss when playing games on my Nvidia laptop using Linux is such a pain in the bum. Yeah, it does suck. Hey Genpai, how you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Come on, I've got to get this tested and done tonight. Maybe for doors, Smitty. Still have some things with Linux to learn for sure. LGO and Don are better at the rapid jumping between hands setting up things. I'll get there. Sure, hang on, dude. I got you. I got you, dude. Cool. Is that better? Is that better, dude? Let me know. Corvo, hello. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Tell me. Oh, no. You're done now. You only get 25 seconds. Next one you got to pay for. Is it still hot in Europe? Yeah, it's a bit colder today though. We're down. It's 24 in London, so it's about 20 here, I would imagine. And that's in C's, not F's. At least my own weather app tells me that. Okay. I stand by Audacity as a door. I wouldn't say Audacity is a door. It's not really a door. I switched over to Tenacity, which is a fork. The reason people aren't a fan of it anymore, Wes, is because of their privacy issues with it. They changed up a lot and it's sending back telemetry and stuff like that. So a group of people forked it into Tenacity, which stripped out all of the telemetry stuff. But it's fine. I mean, I wouldn't worry about it too much. That is all my eyes was in the patch notes. Name a guitar. Hello, welcome on in. Good to see you. Hey, I just started watching the stream. What are you up to? I'm testing my LGL system loadout app, which I built to help those who want to make their Linux journey on Fedora, but don't want to learn the extra steps. So I've basically built an app to help them with the extra steps. That's all. But it seems to be working right now. If all this is green and says okay, then we're good to push. So what's your story, Name? What's your story, NG? Neymar. Neymar. Nimi. Tentacle keeps seems like a cool person. Really. I don't know who Tentacle is. It won't ever be in as depth serious as Door, but that's not his intention. I think it's great for basics and noobs, especially 3. Cool. Oh yeah, don't forget to like. We're quite a few likes behind tonight. You know, do that bit there. Hang on, let me do this properly. Gonna do it properly this time. I remember when I was making that in the Discord with a few people in there. Smitty was there, Zero was there. It was so freaking funny the way that came about. So funny. But yeah, right, music back on. Music back on. Let's go. Okay. We're still going. We are still going. I did pick everything though, so. Oh look, green is good. Green is good, red is bad. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the likes. Appreciate you. What are we on now? That was Japanese. Oh no, there was both Japanese. God damn it. About Godzilla, seen the show on Apple TV? I haven't actually. Is it any good? Be right back. Need to restart. Just made a conky setup. Gotta make sure it works. Okay. Good luck. Are you using Kinetic WE? Yes, I'm a maintainer on it. I maintain the copper for Don. Don does all the hard work. I do some testing, and then I push out the updates to the Fedora COPR. Love it. Absolutely love it. Not going anywhere. And I'm a fussy git. I do the easy work. Yeah. God, I've used 99% of my swap. Damn. No, NG, I absolutely love Kinetic WE. It's just so nice to use. Yeah, I bet. Seeing a little trooper almost pissing himself and a big meow was dying of laughter there. Still gasping for air. Brilliant, brilliant. Hey Bryony, how you doing? Missed these deep house chill Linux nights. I mean, it's not my fault, you know. I didn't do it. It wasn't me. Back and it works. Woohoo! I did a thing. Let's go. Right, everyone in chat. I want you to put in chat what your very, very first Linux distro was. Go. Go. Oh. I'm hoping there's a delay. So, Kashi. Ubuntu. Kashi. Arch. Oh, what's that one? Ubuntu. Ubuntu. Oh, hang on. Underlord says Mint. Red Hat. Red Hat? Really? Nopix. Taz OS? What the hell is that? Ubuntu Spin. Mint. Mint. Red Hat. Slackware. Red Hat. Hey Jensen, how you doing? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Just bought Black Flag. Hope it runs well on my RTX 5050. Good luck. It's a great game. I need to play it more. Yeah, you're not too wrong there. I know Don's been having some challenges with NVIDIA. Oh, I've just seen your message defined. That's interesting. Oh, we're done. You fixed it. All good. Oh, nice. What was it then? Ubuntu. There's lots of Ubuntu. That's good. That's interesting. Chimpy sucks. I run AMD, but I can have its own issues from my understanding. Yes, Red Hat at the time, it was not what it is today. I didn't understand much at the time. My English was really bad, so it was tough. I can imagine, actually. But look at that. 100%. Next. Right, this is the other button that didn't work. Damn it! Right, okay. The reboot button after install still does not trigger pocket. Smitty Corvo, NVIDIA seems to work best with Pika Cache and Bazite. I'm not sure why though. Yeah, well, I know Don's having some challenges with the video on Bazite, but that's only because he's trying to set up, I think, Nix to replace the flat pack stuff. But with the flat pack stuff, it works fine. How can I recreate your desktop setup? So there is a video, funny enough. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? One. Two, wait. It's not there. It's not there. It's not there. It's not there. It says I've got 4 open. I will do it on this one. So if we go into LGL over here, and it's just going to grab this one here. Just going to grab that. I'm going to do that. I'm going to go boom. Last time I used your system loadout tool, it worked great. What did you do? Are you breaking it? Yes, I am breaking it, 100%. Oh, wait.
In the comments section with LGL.
Comments on if you could improve just one thing about Linux, what would it be? Mark 69985 says, for me, it's software reliability. That is having less buggy and janky software. This is what frustrates me the most, but this is true for other OSs as well. 100%, dude. 100%. The other one was a like, right? Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the like. Appreciate you. Yeah, add that to your watch list. That'll help you and no end, Bryony. Okay. Am I missing the chat? What am I missing in the chat? Let's go down to here. So I'm basically making version 2 of my loadout app. Yeah, same here, Chris. It overwrites your main drive, but I was all in, dude. When I went for it, I was all in, so it didn't really matter. Right. Right, confirm. This is exactly that gotcha. A freshly rebuilt binary timestamp never got copied over. Oh, wait, what? Okay. Hi, One Pulse. How you doing? No, this is not Niri. It's Kinetics WE. It's a bespoke, custom Kwin build with tiling built into it, and then we're using Noctalia as the desktop shell. Okay, we can't copy into there then. That's annoying. So we need to go copy build user bin. Okay, so we just need to replace the user bin one, which is copy. Oh no, so it's copy sudo copy LGL system loadout to user bin. And I go LGL. Skip. Next, 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 next. Oh, it just crashed. So when I get my laptop, I can just, through Fedora, on a run your sys loadout and happy days. Yeah, absolutely. If I can get it working. I don't normally test on budgie, that's for sure. Right, we should have a little blue mark up here. Ready? Huh. Reset. Right. I'm a hardcore Omochi fan, but Omochi keeps breaking my trackpad on HP, so I built a WM with Sway as a base built around my laptop specifically because I can't give up that workflow. Fair enough, fair enough. Somebody else was talking about Amethyst Mod Manager. I think it was KCB actually. You can see it on the GitHub link. I put in a few. You can't put links in here, dude. So, yeah. Hit that like button. Thanks, Smitty. Remember to like the smash button. Thanks, Jensen. Games working with it are still limited though. Oh, man. Right. What I need to do is change that to kinetic. Change that to kinetic. Yeah, there we go. Oh, hang on, poll kit. We need poll kit. Settings. Security. There we are. Poll kit agent. Just move you over there for a minute. Thank you very much. I'm an Omarchi fan as well, brother from another mother. Let's go. It seems like I only have one cell and one person that can break stuff at work tonight. So poll kit's working here, that's good. Okay, flat pack's good. Just move that out of the way for a sec. All that being green is very nice. Wait, what? Must have missed that one. Good, good. Thunderbird. So what was that? Tenacity and Thunderbird. Okay, next. Reboot now. Yes. Hey! Now we're cooking. The only problem is it's not showing Tenacity and Thunderbird as installed. So let's explore that. What we'll do first is go to System Settings. Remember which ones were not installed. So we're still Tenacity. And Thunderbird. Okay. Make sure they're installed. Tenacity. And Thunderbird. So Thunderbird is installed twice. That's fine. Because if we go to console and go which Thunderbird. So it's got the, so we can go sudo DNF remove Thunderbird. Yes. And then we'll go flat pack list. It's showing us Thunderbird's there. Okay, good. That's still Google Chrome, Spotify, Desktop. I didn't install Desktop. Zed's there. GitHub Wolf. So Tenacity's not installing. Okay, okay. So Thunderbird is installed but not showing as installed. Tenacity is not installed, but I think it did say at the end of the thingy it was, didn't it? It's not even listing it, is it? Okay. Oh no, wrong one. Wrong one. That's fine. I need to add a dock actually, don't I? Let me add the dock quick. Dock enable. Okay, okay. I think I've got what's going on. Thunderbird is installed but not showing as installed. Tenacity is not installed at all. Which Tenacity? Okay, yeah, it's not installed at all. Hang on, let me just do that flat pack list again. It's not on there, is it? No. Bahu420, hello. How to play Linux Clashy on League of Legends? Do please help me. You can't, unfortunately, due to the anti-cheat. Your best bet is probably not play it anymore. No, if you want to play League of Legends, you're gonna have to stick with Windows, unfortunately. Hello, Gaz. How you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you, dude. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, ho. Hey, hey, ho. I'm using Claude right now. I'm probably going to run out very soon. But I have Claude, Open Code, and Codex. Oh, yes. Gotta love the Steam controller. Let's go. Let's go. Camera's in a slightly different place, so I'm quite... That's weird. Oh, no, I need to go... Wait. There. Lean it forwards. Look at that. Nice and shiny. Chris says I still rock my X570 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard with 5800X RX 6600. I've got an RX 6600. Oh no, I've got the XT though. No. 32 gigs of 36 DDR4, I'm guessing. One at CAS 16 and the other at CAS 14 though. So mismatch CAS RAM at same speed. Yeah, that is funny when you drop. No, it was. I confirm it works too. Yes, you have to have it on big screen mode though. That was the only thing. I was chucking it on the sofa and all sorts, and yeah, it doesn't work unless you're in big picture mode. Yes, massive Fedora fan, 100%. Fedora with Kinetic WE is the GOAT in my opinion. But there you go. Each to their own, you know. Hey Linux Frames, welcome back, good to see you. Yes, Don actually, who's a massive friend to the channel, is on Bazite himself, and he's literally just moved over there and he's loving it. He's loving life over there now. He's put Kinetic WE on there. He's put Nix on there. He's loving it. Still a noob with Linux myself. Well then Bazite is a fantastic choice, especially with a Steam controller. Damn, you're going to be cooking over there. What's your setup, dude? Right, Tenacity Fix is in. It now has an actual install step via Flatpak, same pattern as Blender. For Thunderbird, since it's an app ID mismatch rather than a broken detection logic, how would you like it to be handled? Options leave as is, not installed, is arguably the correct since the specific Flatpak the tool manages isn't present. Hey, stop looking at my system. I am testing in a VM, which you cannot see. Stupid ass. Right, the Tenacity Fix stands. That came from reading the main wizard, not from system state. It's a genuine Thunderbird and the reboot issue. I can't verify anything by poking at a file system or running processes anymore. What are you seeing in the VM? Look at your code and tell me. Tried Arch 2, it's good in its own way, but I think Bazite is more for me. That's it, you got to find a distro that works for you, dude. Is that a chat, is that a chat utility? Yes, it is. It's a YouTube one. I've got a Twitch one as well. Twitch one is better because you don't use any tokens. Whereas with this one, you have to use the YouTube version 3 API, and the problem with that is you only get 10,000 tokens, and it lasts about 45 minutes. So you have to go to YouTube and say, "Can I have some more?" And even at 50,000, which I have now, it's still not enough. It only lasts about 3 hours. So it probably ends soon. Would love to install SteamOS, but GP's not worried it will wipe the system. Probably will. I think you can dual boot with it, but you have. I saw a video by Hardware Accident actually where he did it, but I wouldn't risk it, to be honest. Not worth it. Off to do some yard work for a bit. Have a good evening, everyone. Thank you very much, Lexi Marie. Great to catch up. You take care. See you next time. Cool. Sword works 15% more efficient if you have please. So wouldn't you just do flat pack list and then flat pack list grep tenacity? There you go. Why don't you just do that, dumbass? Why not flat? Oh my god. Flat pack list grep tenacity to check. Cool. I think I'm a YouTube main, just old habit. No, fair enough. YouTube is the GOAT. Best for same path problem that it's still a bare flat pack invoked inside Bashi. It's an environment path, doesn't include user bin. It's not even installed in user bin though. Which tenacity? That's the wrong one. I think where are we? No, that's the wrong one. Which tenacity? Flat packs do not install to user bin. Oh, is it user bin flat pack? Shit. No, it's not. Making it up now. What is the fix? I've only recently installed Chromium, Gaz. I was very much Firefox for many, many years, and then switched to Zen. And yeah, didn't get on well with Zen. It had a little bit of a mind of its own, especially with tiling. Okay, so we are fixed. So we are fixed. Fixed. So code fixed. I just need to build. Hey Voxeliata, how you doing? What are you doing? I'm messing around with my app. I've got a... Oh, there you go. YouTube quota exceeded. Bye-bye, text chat. Nice knowing you. Live chat, that's good. Yeah, I've got an app called LGL System Loadout, which helps people along their initial Fedora journey to get set up and running with things like RPM Fusion, codecs, and gaming tools. So, yeah, that. Chris got the GPU during the Scalpocalypse 2.0, so yeah, I got the regular. Ah, okay. Do you like using local LMs? No, don't really need to, really. I've got licenses with Claude and Codex or OpenAI. Thanks, Define. Thanks, Define. Haven't used it this morning. Yes, the source change. Okay, so we need to get a build on. Oh, that was a stupid thing. Can you still hear me? Am I still streaming? Okay, cool. Cool. I just did a build, local build, and it just completely consumed all of my CPU. Oh, and it looks like it killed my my browser. It completely crashed my browser. Nice. Studio. We need to go to here. Excellent. Pop out chat. Release it from hiding how. We'll do that. So we got the chat back. Nice. Yeah, it killed the it killed Chromium. Not Vecteezy. We need epidemic sounds. And we'll go to playlists. Go to new stream playlist. I think it's down here somewhere, about there. That'll do. I'm going to grab you. I'm going to take you with us down to... Where is it? There it is. Stick you over there. Right, now we need to go back into the VM. Now we need to go copy. Hang on. LS CD mount agile test LS. Okay, so we need to go mount. Oh no, sudo. Hang on, let me zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. There you go. Sudo mount -T to virtuos. We're going to mount you to LGL temp / mount LGL temp. Boom. Password. List. Did I call it test then? Did I call it test? Let's have a look. CD mount LGL test. Okay, that might be why. I must have hidden. I must have lost it then. The cam is. Oh, okay. Cancel. We go do that. Shut down. Gonna make sure the file system's still set up. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Memory, that's fine. Okay, play. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, don't forget to like. Oh my god, we are so close to meeting our target. That will be the first time that we've actually done it on a stream, and that would be freaking awesome. Let's do it. You can do it. So you want to go mount, no, sudo mount -t / oh no, virtuous / LGL test / mount LGL test cd mount LGL test. Yay, we did it, we did it, we did it, we did it. So now we need to go copy, sudo copy LGL system loadout to user bin. LGL system loadout. cd user bin ls, or shall we do ls grep LGL system loadout. Yes, okay. Oops. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go back into here. Click next, skip, next, tenacity, next, Thunderbird, next, reboot now. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've lost chat. Where's chat? Here it is. Sorry everyone, I'm on a mission. No political chat in here whatsoever, please. No mention of it. No nothing. Okay? Please. We come here to get away from that stuff. No problem, Chris. All good. Right, let's see where we are at. Now I'm going to have to do that remount again now, aren't I? Dolphin. But in theory, that should all be there for me, right? Now, if I was a smart, I would have added it to... Oh, hang on. Hey, let's go, let's go. Wait, what? That's not what we're doing, though. We need to go back up here. We need to go back into here. Next. Skip. Next. 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 Fuck it. Wait. Was tenacity there, though? Yay, tenacity's there. It's just Thunderbird now. Oh, just Thunderbird not working. To be honest, I'm not too worried about that at the moment. Thunderbird is still not showing as installed. Even though it is. My daughter still uses my old 1050. Changed the GPU, built PC right when stuff happened, got super lucky I guess. Yeah, same here really. I got a 4 terabyte drive and 32 gig of RAM and it didn't break the bank. So I got 6 1 terabyte WD Red for my NAS and they were £79 each when I got them. They are now approximately 300 quid each. Price to performance on the others, again, there's like 6 to 12 SPS. It can be higher, but in most cases not. Only issue with DDR4 RAM is maybe need an older motherboard. But I guess that's not always an issue these days. Well, yeah, there's loads of motherboards now. Hey, Scythian, how you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. I'm trying to fix my app. Flat pack list, grep. You don't need all that. What are you talking about? Right, okay, let's do this. So we go flat pack list. That'll do. Oh, god damn it. So we're going to close you. We're going to close you. We're going to go to KDE settings. And we're going to go to display. I'm going to change you to that one. Bye. Keep it to keep. Then we're going to close you. Then we're going to go back into here. And we're going to go Dolphin. And we're going to pin Dolphin. Then we're going to go that one we can shrink back down again. We're going to go flat pack list grep Thunderbird. I don't think I can copy out of this, but we're going to try anyway. What we can do though, oh, hang on. I could have just typed it in, couldn't I? I think getting next gen is future proofing, but to be honest, it's so expensive. Hey Cameron, how you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Even all, always seem to join these streams late. Just got off work shift now. How everyone doing? Doing great, thank you, dude. Good to see you again, though. I'm probably on for a little while. I just want to get this bit fixed. Right, this might disconnect me again. But I've got to do another build. Brace yourself, chat. Brace yourself. Got to do a build. Oh, look. It's gone red. It's good. We made it. We made it out alive. Are we still here? Are we still here? Yes, we're still here. Let's go. I think we're still here. Actually, no, that's just the music starting again. Yes, Smitty has RAM. Get him! Hey Yuki, how you doing? Yep, still here. Sweet, 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 sweet. Right, back to the VM. We can close you off. And we're going to go... Where's the copy one? That one there, isn't it? Do that. Okay, okay. This is it. This is it now. This is it. Come on. Come on, we got this. We just need it to show Thunderbird is installed. Okay? Yes! Let's go! We did it! It's going to take another 20 minutes to push everything now. One, two, three, four, five, six. Right, okay, shut down. We are good to go. So what do we need to do? We need let me just do git status. Let's do now need to push to git as it is working. What's the command again? I will remember it one day. Are you stupid? Not to build, to push, to git. Okay. I thought it was more than that. We'll try it. Git, push. In fact, I'll have it in there, won't I? I need to force it. Need to force as... all I did was change the frickin' the README. Chris says, well, I'm going to go relax a little bit, play a little bit Parasite Eve 2. Oh, wow, nice. Enjoy, dude. Nice to meet you anyway. Have a good one. Define time to wake up the kiddos for school. Fun. Good luck, dude. Thank you for hanging out, though. Appreciate you. GitHub.com. Happy to overwrite it. Still not leaving. Priority. Oh, thanks, man. I've got to run out of freaking thingy, aren't I? Right. Don't you try tell me the round. Full message. What did we do? So main wizard reordered Flatpak infrastructure. Okay. Suggest message or git push. God's sake. For git. For commit message, isn't it? Commit message. More concise, please. And full command include add etc. Okay, that looks more like it. That looks more like it. Git add source main wizard source page helper source page. Let's just move that over there. Comms page, source page, done page, update page. And then we're going to fix Flatpak install order, missing tenacity step, reboot buttons, and install detection bugs. And git push force main. Okay. Git status. Okay, we're good. We are good. So now what we need to do is we need to go to here. Oh wait, that's that one. Okay. So we've got to a blank page and we're going to open up another browser. We're going to go to Copper. I'm going to go to My Projects. I'm going to go to the System Loadout. We're going to go to Build. We're going to go New Build. Oh, hang on. Need it to bump to 2.03. So let's do that first. Bump to 2.0.3. Update readme spec and anything else needed. I'm not missing any chat, am I? I'm almost done here. I want to start building Minecraft server and home lab for my digital media, but HDD is so expensive. I know it's expensive everywhere. Nobody's asked me something that I've missed, have I? You've been like happily chatting amongst yourselves. Scythian says something. I've finally installed secondary distro, but I'm not making it yet. CachyOS, and it created a bit of a mess with my booting. It works though, just a mess. Oh, okay. It's the best way to learn, isn't it? By screwing things up a little bit. Why does it add some sort of random email there? I don't. That email doesn't even exist. This this email doesn't exist. Remove it. Oh wow, is that all the versions that has had that email in? Oops. Dope. I've only just noticed it. Yeah, things aren't so regulated in my country, and we don't care what Microsoft thinks. Yeah, just from the new entry. Little tiny oopsie there, yeah. Anyone trying to email that will get a bounce back. Excellent, excellent. So we should now be able to, not that one, push this to here. Why don't we do that as SCM? We'll do it from that one. Don't need to do that. Packaging. Load out spec. Build. Please don't fail. Come on, everybody. Everybody in chat say please don't fail. Okay? Please don't fail. 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 Fail, not foul. Fail. Please don't fail. Please don't fail. Please don't fail. I want to go to bed soon. Please don't fail. PDF. Oh, hang on. Careful with that one. Please don't mistake. Please don't fail. It's pending. Shall I F5 it? F5 in chat. Still pending. Please, God, don't let it fail. What's that? Pleague? It actually fixed that one for you. It fixed it for you. Please. Please don't fail. Pending, don't fail. Pending, don't fail. Oh, running. We're running. It's going to fail. Do you know why it's going to fail? Because it's the same. Oh. Cancel, 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 cancel. It's going to fail. I know it's going to fail. I know it's going to fail. Do you know why I know it's going to fail? Because I'm a freaking idiot. That's why. GitHub. System loadout. Such an idiot. Right, we're going to go back and delete some of these older ones. Delete this release. Delete this release. then we're going to go and create a new release. We're going to call it version 2.0.3. Create tag. Create tag. Go back here. I'm going to grab grab that one. And here. Three. We're going to go fixed. And reboot. Buttons. Publish release. Boom. Right, get ready to pray again. Get ready to pray again. Build. SCM. Clone. Subdirectory packaging. Spec file. Right, now you can start again. Start again. Start again. Yeah, I'm in England. Yeah. South of England. Anti-fail policy activated. Yes, and they didn't understand the assignment yesterday. Let Norway win. Of course we didn't. What we can do, we can get rid of that, delete all the evidence. Nope, don't know what you're talking about. Oh my god. Still saying 202. 203. It should be pulling from 203. Where is the spec file? Just have a look at the spec file. Packaging. Spec file. Oh, hang on. Oh, it's because I'm tired. Need to put, add the new files to Git. I should have done that. Right, okay, so now I need to go back to Git. We need to go back one more. And we need to delete that release. I'm going to copy that first. Delete. I'm going to go new release. Select tag 2.03. 2.03. Publish release. Okay, so that's built the two new sets of source code with the new files in it. Delete marked. Go. And then we're going to go new build. SCM. GitHub. Packaging. The new spec file that we just uploaded, which will make things right. Build. You can sleep when you're old. Right, that should say 2.03. If that says 2.03-1, we are in business. F5. 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 God damn it. He must have fucking spec file 2.03. COPR SCM is still picking it up as 2.0.2. Oh, hang on, show. Oh, god damn it. Okay. Releases. Delete. Yes. New release. Select tag. 2.03. Title. 2.03. Paste. Oh, fuck. God damn it. Fortunately, we can just scroll up here. And we can just grab that. Whoosh. Go back here. Paste. Publish. New release. Boom. Okay, new source code. Excellent. New source code for copper to pick up. Build. SCM. Clone. GitHub. Category. Packaging. No, directory. Packaging. Brain. Dying. Must. Sleep. Can sleep when dead. No need sleep now. Sleep later. I work in IT, Jensen. Yuki Love? We got a Yuki Love in the house? Where's that then? Where? Hello? Did you try turning it off and on again? I think that's going to be the next step, to be honest. Well, come on in. Good to see you. Do you recommend installing Fedora KDE or without a desktop environment for Kinetic WE? If you're doing it for the first time, then probably with KDE or with anything, because you'll have nothing installed. I mean, you can follow my video. You can follow my install video, but then you'll have nothing installed at all. So you're going to have to install file browsers. You're going to have to install all sorts of stuff. So if you want to start with an absolute minimal build and then just layer on everything else that you want, then I'd go for Fedora everything and install nothing, just like my video. And then you could use this app if it's going to be success. Come on, please. Yes! Yeah, so use my app. Follow my video and then use my app. That'd be the best one. Yeah, I'm just going to say IT. So, yeah. I like to keep life and stream separate. If you could have a conversation just using those. Chat, remember to like the stream. Oh yeah, remember to like the stream. Don't forget to do that. Oh, and remember this as well, actually. Damn it, we had loads in here earlier. I forgot to do it. I should have done it when there was loads. God damn it. I'm rubbish, streamer. Why do you even bother? We're here. We are here.
behind the screen. Nobody knows.
Yeah, don't forget, go over and follow me on Twitch as well. If you're on Twitch, then go in the Twitch button and Twitch. We are currently on 66. 66. That's 3 today. Perfect. Thank you very much. Once I get to 100, I'll start streaming there. I know Smitty's really excited for us to get over there, but yeah, let's go. Thank you very much. I've just seen that there's some weird shit going on somewhere. Where did I just see some weird shit? If I go to here, go fan funding. Oh, then that's right. Oh no, that's fine. So we got, yeah, okay, that's good. Thank you. I'll come back to that. Live chat. Let's go. Ikidan, how you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Pseudo-like stream. Indeed. Indeed. I had 48 earlier, Yuki. I mean, I've been on for a while now, though, so I guess it's we're a little bit long in the tooth now, maybe. Right, chat. We need that to say complete, succeeded. Right, when I hit that refresh button, you ready? F5. F5 in chat. If I get 5 F5s in chat, I'm going to hit F5. I want to twatch on Twitch. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to count that. 4, because there's always one. And it's normally a Yuki. Come on. One more, one more, one more, one more. Don't make me do it myself. Oh, guys, you're going to make me do it myself, aren't you? Yeah. Oh, wait, no, that doesn't count. Yay, let's go. Wait, hang on. No, what? Shit. Yay. Let's go. That deserves that again. That deserves one of them. We're not starting that yet, though. We'll do that in a minute. Right, we're still not finished. We're still not finished. We are still not finished. God damn it, we're not finished. Sudo. DNF. Upgrade. Oh, let me zoom in on this. Let me zoom in on this. Zoom in on this. Dash dash. Refresh. Boom. Password. Password. Upgrading. System loadout from version 202 to 203. Upgrading Noctalia to 273. They're updating so much at the moment. Yes. Exit. Open it.
Release the window from tiling hell.
Update now. The new pole kit shit at the bed. Update flat packs. Yes. Oh, damn it. Nothing to update. Excellent. Next. Installed. Next. 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 Oh, this isn't going to work. I can't test it. I can't test it. This was a silly move. We'll close that. Go back into the VM. We're going to... which one did I do? Was it Budgie? It was Budgie, wasn't it? Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh man, no, I need to upgrade again. Sorry, dude. So we're going to here. Go. Yeah. Hang on. Let's zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom in. Sudo DNF upgrade -- refresh. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Right, so we can exit that. Oh, we didn't want to do that, did we? We can close that. Oh no, almost closed the thingy. LGL system loadout. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So everything should be green. Everything should be green. 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 LFG. LFG. LGL. Oh, hang on. There's one more thing. We need to make sure that the reboot button works. Oh. We got it. We got it. We absolutely went and dudley did it. Yeah, that. Shut down. Now the plan was to update 3 apps today. We did one. One's enough, right? Let's pop you back over there, like so. We now need to do so. Create a memory.md file in the project root and add to git ignore. Create a memory file and add everything we did tonight to it. File and add everything we did tonight to it. I don't have to correct this, it will correct it automatically, but I just can't help it. I just can't help myself. There you go. Acronym day. LGL LFG LGL GGSLO. Oh, did it put actually in my root of my project? Wait, what? Oh, there it is. That should be in get ignore. Right, okay, cool. Now let's replace the work completed in this session and remaining resolve sections with tonight's log. Excellent. Just making sure that's still update. Yeah, okay. I think we're almost there. Turn the aircon off now. It's getting nice and cool. Excellent, excellent. So now we can close you off. We can close you off. Nope, we're still on a distro. What's a distro box? We're still on a distro box. Did you know that? Exit our distro box. And then we can close that. And then we can go to here. Go to here. Do that. And then we can do that. And that. Right. This is it. Thank you everybody for hanging out. It's been an absolute blast. I actually did something. I did a thing. I've managed to fully release and test version 2 of my LGL system loadout. Let's go. Right. First off, massive thank you to Zero Linux for 5 months as a channel hero. Let's fucking go. Defiant, thank you so much, dude, for the 2 gifted memberships. Appreciate you, man. Been an absolute blast. Thank Yuki. Thanks, Jonas. Hello, Jonas. Bye, Jonas. Thanks, Jensen. Top fans tonight are in 5th place, we've got Jensen. In 4th place, we've got Chris McGraw. In 3rd place, we've got Steve Dix. 5248. In 2nd place, we've got Defiant. Thanks again for the 2 gifties. Appreciate you, dude. And in 1st place, the legend, the myth, other words, Smitty! Oh, hang on. If I press that button, hang on. I had to do it. I had to do it. I had to do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was chaos. But thank you everybody. Been an absolute blast. Don't forget, you can catch me normally weekdays with Don over on the Black Don's channel. I need a button for that. I haven't got a button for that, but I do need a button for that. So please, please, please go over to the Black Don. YouTube.com oh, I can't type it. Google it. Anyway, you guys take care. See you next time.